Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial session on programming for beginners. And in today's lecture, let us discuss about bitwise operator. So we will discuss on how does bitwise AND operator works. Further, we will go with bitwise OR operator, bitwise NOT operator, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise right shift operator, and bitwise XOR operator. First and foremost, let us discuss about bitwise AND operator. Now, bitwise AND operator is represented, or while writing a C program, we use uh, the bitwise AND operator as this symbol, that is the ampersand symbol. So, this is a binary operator. When I say binary operator, it means that this operator, that is bitwise AND operator, executes or works for two numbers. So, I can perform between these two numbers, I can perform bitwise AND operation. Now, how does it work? It takes 2 bits at a time and perform the AND operation. Now, when we say 2 bits, it means that this the operand whatever you have, that is 7 and 4, is converted into binary number, and the bits of the binary number are performed with AND operation. So let us in detail see how does it work with respect to an example given here. So I have to perform bitwise AND on 7 and 4. First what will I do is I'll convert, or I'll represent this 7 in binary format. So this is how I represent binary of 7. If you are not aware of how do you convert a decimal number to binary number, kindly refer to my video on conversion of decimal to binary in the playlist Digital Computer Fundamentals. And 4 is represented as 100. Now, between each two bits of this number, we perform an AND operation. Now, what is an AND operation? AND operation follows this rule. 0 and 0 will give a 0. 0 and 1 will give a 0. 1 and 0 will give a 0 result, and 1 and 1 will give a result 1. So, 1 and 0, according to this, it is 0. Similarly, 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 will give a result 1. 0 and 0 will give a result 0. All these are 0 and 0, and the result is 0. Now this is in binary format. Now if you convert this into decimal number, it is nothing but 4. Okay, again you can refer to the tutorial on binary to decimal conversion under the playlist Digital Computer Fundamentals. So you get 7 bitwise and 4 is giving you a result 4. Let us take another example wherein we have to find bitwise AND operation between 12 bitwise and 40. So to represent 12 in binary, this is the binary equivalent of 12, and the binary equivalent of 40 is this. Okay. Now let's perform bitwise AND between each and every bit of the two numbers. 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, and 0 and 0 is 0. Now this is in binary format. If we convert it into decimal, you will get it as 8. So it means that when you perform bitwise AND operation on 12 and 40, you are getting 8 as the result in decimal format. Now let's check this whether we are getting the same answer when we perform or when you write a program in C. So I should get 7 and 4, I should get 4, and 12 and 40, I should get 8. Right? For that, let me open a online C compiler. If you have installed version of any C compilers, you can use that. So I am using an online C compiler here. So let me try to write a program wherein my first variable, I'll write first variable, it was 7. For the example I have checked, the first variable, the first number was 7. So let me declare a variable int x and another variable as 4. Okay, and let me printf %d, and I will write, I'm performing an AND operation, and the operator is ampersand operator. I'm performing AND between 7 and 4. When we execute it manually, we got the result as 4, and you can see here you are also getting the result 4. We took another number that was 12 and The second number we have taken was 40, and we got the result as 8 upon performing bitwise AND operator. Let's execute with 12 and 40 and check what is the result you get. You're getting the result as 8. Hope you have understood about bitwise AND operator. In the next tutorial, we'll discuss about bitwise OR operator, and if you find this tutorial useful, kindly like the video and share it with your friends, as well subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for listening.